Yes, my people, welcome back. And let's quickly go on to the 1 hour charts. Let's see what going. And I mean, price is bullish. We can see price is bullish based off our SMAs. And again, really depends on what time you hopped on the charts. But for me, price is bullish. And I mean, there are trades that you could have taken in the PM session, but I'm not gonna go into that. Just gonna go straight into the PM, not PM, but AM New York. And if you just go to our 5 minute chart, you can see that price is bullish, and in our 1 hour chart, price is bullish. So we understand that price is bullish on all the time frames that we're on. So what we're gonna do is just follow the continuation based off, the higher time frame. So if we're looking at zones, where's my most recent zone? So this was the last MSB, yeah. Price doesn't need to necessarily tap. Price could tap into this area, yeah. Bounce higher, or even potentially tap into this area. So those are my areas of interest. When I hit the 1 minute, well, it didn't work there, but let me just fix that. Yeah, so let's go to our 1 minute. We can see where potentially the 3 areas where price might want to tap into and then continue higher. So we have this area where I could drop my fib from this low to this high, and we don't quite tap the 618. However, we do have SPS where that's the 1, that's the 2, that's the 3, that's the 4, that's the 5, and you can see how price has now taken out the high. So price has done its job of taking out that high. Now you can draw out your new zone once we candle close, which we have. When we let price play out, we can see that price is going higher. And then where you can have SPS model 1. It's not the cleanest, but it works in terms of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then price, yeah. And then again, yeah. What happens? Price closes above this high. What happened there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And price pushes higher. So you can't tell me that there wasn't a trade between 3 to 5. There was numerous trades, and if we're looking at things from internal structure as well, you can see that we made a low, a high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we made a higher high, higher low, higher high. So when you're able to see those internal structures, well, took out that low, took out that high, took out that high. So that's the flip. That's a confirmed flip. What happened? We respected this area. We respected this internal protected low. And what did price do? Price ended up taking out that previous higher high. So you can see how when you have internal and external structure matched and put in place, you are going to be alright. Today was a lovely day to trade. Like I said, there were numerous setups that you could have taken based on whatever time frame you're on, based on whatever time zone you're not time zone, but whatever session you're trading. Because there were trades in the morning that you could have potentially taken, but that's it from me today. Always remember that victory belongs to the most tenacious, and I'll see you lots tomorrow. Love.